Today we will see how to make arrays in VBA and dynamically change its size using Redim. So first let's insert an module, okay, and I will make a subroutine named test. Okay, so first let's make an array, okay, and name it A. I will name it A and set its size as 4 or 5, round figure, and give the data type of integer. So what here I have done is I've made a variable named A and set its size as 4 and made it set a data type as integer. I will save it and run it. If it will work. So now if I want to take a input from the user and then pass the value here. First let's make a variable. And then pass it here. Name it X and yeah, I've made a variable of data type integer and pass it here. Save it again. So it will not work and give it an error. The error says constant expression required. So yes, here we have to pass a constant expression and this is a variable, right? So it will not work. I will make it constant here. So x is a constant variable and I have assigned it the value of 5. So it's double declaration. I don't want this, so delete it. Right now, let's run it. It will work. Now I want to take input from the user and then pass it here. So I will take the input from an input box. So I'll write the prompt as enter array size, right? So yes, yes, I've taken input from the user and set it in the variable x. I'll run it. It will not work because it is in constant variable and we have to give the value as a near number. We can't take input from the user, right? So constant. So I'll make it a normal variable now. Then mix as integer. I'll name it size because I'm passing size here, right? Not x. I will give the size of 5. And now, as we know, we can't pass a variable here and we want to take input from the user, right? So delete it for now and take the input for enter array size. So we haven't given the size yet of A. So I will rename it. Means I will reassign it. I will re-give the size. I will again assign it size of A. I will rename A and now give what size I want to give. So here I will give size. I'll save it and run. So here let's give the size of 5. Let's debug it to see the size. And I'm going to add watch, and I want to see the size of A, right? Let's run it again. I will give the size of 5. Now if I see here we see that it is the size has been assigned of size 5, some 0 to 5, and yeah, we have made the array and taken it from the user to assign the size. So now we can also change the size. So if I want to make the size of it is uh, let's first write and then explain. I will give the size of 5, and now we see actually this is the previous one. We have debugged it earlier, right? So I rewatched it. So here we see the size has been set of 5 size 5 has been set to the variable a, and now if this line will run, now the size of the a will be 8. So not only we taken the value from the user and set it the size, but also change the size again. So using redim we can change the size of an array. Thank you.